Hello students, I hope you all are well and staying at home. Today we will start with a new chapter, that is integers. Integers are all whole numbers and all of their opposite on the negative number line including 0, means all positive numbers, all negative numbers including 0 are called integers. Now, properties of integers. Properties of integers are closure property, cumulative property, associative property, distributive property, identity, and inverse of integers. Now, first is closure property for addition. For any two integers a and b, a plus b is also an integer. By taking an example, minus 5 plus 3. As you see here, minus 5 and plus 3 both are integers. When we add them, we get minus 2, which is also an integer. Therefore, we say that integers are closed under addition. Next, for subtraction. Again, we taking two integers a and b. Then a minus b is also an integer. Again, taking an example, minus 5 and minus 3, and subtract them, we get minus 8, which is an integer. Therefore, we say that integers are closed under subtraction. Next is cumulative property for addition. This property tells us that the sum of two integers remains the same even if the order of the integers is changed. If a and b are two integers, then a plus b is equal to b plus a. By taking an example, minus 3 plus 2, we get plus 1. And in right hand side, 3 plus minus 2, again after solving it, we get 1. In both the cases, we just interchange the digits, but the resultant is same. Now for subtraction, the subtraction of two integers is not cumulative. If we consider two integers a and b, then a minus b is not equal to b minus a. Here we taking example 4 and minus 6. In left hand side, when we solve it, we get plus 10. But in right hand side, it will be minus 10. And both left and right side are not equal. So, we can say that subtraction is not considered for cumulative property. Now, associative property for addition. This property tells us that we can group integers in a sum in such a way we want and still get the same answer. Addition is associative for integers. Here a, b and c are integers, then a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. We just changing the group in left and right hand side. By taking this example, you can easily understand. Now, subtraction. The subtraction of integers is not associative. In general, a minus b minus c is not equal to a minus b minus c. You easily understand by the example that we get 5 is not equal to minus 9. So, subtraction is not considered for associative property. Distributive property. By taking three integers a, b and c, a multiply b plus c is equal to a multiply b plus a multiply c. This is called distributive property. By taking the example 2 multiply 4 plus 3, we just open the bracket on right hand side and then solve, we get 14. And same other example is here. Therefore, the integers satisfy distributive property. Identity property. Additive identity states that sum of any number and 0 is the given number, 0 is the additive identity. 3 plus 0 is equal to 3 means if we add 0 in any integer, we always get the same integer. Same other example, minus 12 plus 0 is equal to minus 12. Inverse property, additive inverse. The sum of any number and its additive inverse is 0. Minus a is additive inverse of the number a. So, a plus minus a is equal to 0. If we take an example 2, then its additive inverse is minus 2. When we add these, then we get 0. Multiplicative inverse. The product of any number and its multiplicative inverse is 1. It is also called reciprocal of the number. 1 upon a is multiplicative inverse of a number a. So, when we multiply number and its multiplicative inverse, we get 1. If we take an example 2, then its multiplicative inverse is 1 by 2. When we find their product, we will get 1.